Do you want to create a subscribe link on YouTube that when someone clicks on it, they'll automatically subscribe to your YouTube channel? No BS guide how to create a YouTube subscribe link in 2020. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, cause you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and if you want to see more how-to videos. Let's go to the computer. Okay, so the first thing you actually gotta do is go and find out your YouTube link. To do that, you just click here and click on your channel. From here, you load up and you see your link as a subscriber. Now some stuff might start playing. My YouTube homepage looks a little bit different. I have all these widgets because I have TubeBuddy and vidIQ. They show a lot of stats. You can actually download them and I have links for them in the description down below. They're really good for creators, but what you gotta do is remove this, everything out, including the question mark, and this will actually be your subscriber link. So from this here, you just add the following text: question mark sub dash confirmation equals 1, right? Copy that, and when you click paste it, look what happens. Confirm channel subscription. I'll click subscribe and they tell me I can't subscribe to my own. Sorry, something went wrong. You may not subscribe. Oh, dang it. I was going to have one more subscriber. I really hope this video helped you out. And you know what? I can shout your YouTube channel out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your YouTube channel name and what your channel is about, so people have an incentive to follow you. And the shout out winner on this episode is... Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video you should definitely check one of these videos out. This one or this one.